welcome back to my channel. God bless you in Jesus' name. All right. So today there was this idea I thought in the key of C for a backing a progression you can use to back up a preacher. Yeah, so if you've not watched that, you can check that. So today I got request to do it in the key of F. So I'll do it in the key of F. So if you want it in any other key also, if I can get 30 or 50 of you to comment that you want it in that key, I'll just do that. So, but today we'll do it in the key of F. So the progression goes like this. Okay, so let me just show you the basics. So we are in the key of F, right? So your left hand is going to be holding your flattened seventh and then your third. That's like picking the third and the flattened seventh to your F dominant 7 chord. Okay, so we just pick the flattened seventh and then the third. So I'll call the numbers in case you want to try and play it in another key, so you won't have to. So that won't be a problem. So then the next chord is you have your 6 and 4. That's in the key of B, F. Now we have a D and B flat. Then we have G flat and B flat. That's your sharp 5, and then your 4. Then to your 5 and 3. So you have now the notes E flat and A, D and B flat, D flat and B flat, then C and E. All right. So that's it. So the melody line goes like this: Mi fa sol fa, ya do re fa, mi. So you can do something like that. Yeah. So that's the basic idea. So and why I say it's what I always say is you can start. It starts from simple to complex. So you can just, of course, when you are just starting, maybe the preacher is just getting on and on and on and on. You don't just start and you don't just start. No. You should not start that serious. So just start like a simple melody when it's preaching, blah, 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 whatever, and then you're just backing up. So right, so you can just come in. You can come in with just single notes on your right hand, not too fast. I see there's a beat. Yeah. So right. So if the atmosphere is getting a little bit tense, if it's getting more tense, then you can also take it up. And if it's not tense, if everything is just going simple, please just remain as simple as calm, because don't forget you are not the preacher. All right. So, but if it's getting more tense, then you can take it up. Like in my church, for instance, my pastor will say, when everything is still cool, when people are not, it's not like people are praying or whatever. It should just be the piano. But when we are praying, people are praying, and then there are a lot of people, the members are praying, we can add the bassist, and then the drummer also. I mean, this will just come out more lively. So one thing your bassist can do, if you have a bassist, and you can also do that, is for the beginning part also, you can just hold just the one. So whatever you do. Yeah. when he wants to switch also, or if you are the one also doing that on the piano, you can also be the bassist. I mean, so you can just do the the chord progression. That's the left. You can do the flatting 7 to 6, flat 6 to 5. So you can just have so this stuff I'm doing, I picked in the minor third. That's in the we are in the key of F now. So I'm playing stuff from A flat. So that's so yeah, all right. So that's where I'm picking that from. So you can do 2, 3, 4, 5, harmonize 5, 4, 3, 2, to 1. Sorry, that one is flattened. So and that's what takes us back to the key of F. So yeah. So that's the idea of the stuff I'm doing on the right hand. So you can do that. So if you're in any key, let's say you're in the key of C. I don't know if I showed you this in the key of C. So you can do that in the key of E flat. So yeah. So I'm doing in the key of E flat now, because that's the minor third. Alright, so alright. Alright, so that's gonna be all for today. Thank you so much. Click subscribe button for more. God bless you. Bye. Thank you.